Welcome to our channel. Today we how to manage user experience with Adobe XD. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Open Adobe XD and create a new project by selecting New File. Choose the appropriate device preset for your design, such as iPhone or web. Familiarize yourself with the Adobe XD interface, including the tools on the left and the properties panel on the right. Start by creating a wireframe for your user interface. Use the rectangle tool to create shapes for buttons, text boxes, and images. Organize your wireframe using layers. Name each layer clearly to keep your project structured. Focus on the layout and spacing to ensure a balanced design. Use grid layout tools available in Adobe XD for precise alignment. Once your wireframe is complete, add color to your design. Use the Properties panel to change the fill and border colors of your shapes. Incorporate typography by adding text elements. Choose fonts that align with your brand and ensure readability. Utilize icons from Adobe XD's built-in library or create your own. Icons help improve navigation and user understanding. Now, create interactive elements like buttons and links. Select a shape and use the Prototype tab to add interactions and transitions. Set up artboards for different screens in your app. This allows you to visualize the user's journey through your design. Test your prototypes by entering preview mode. This gives you an idea of how the user experience flows. Collect feedback by sharing your prototype with team members or stakeholders. Use the share feature to get insights and suggestions. Make revisions based on the feedback you receive. Continuously refine your design to improve the user experience. Utilize the Repeat Grid feature for creating lists or galleries. This feature speeds up your design process by duplicating elements quickly. Prepare for final adjustments by reviewing all elements for consistency in style and functionality. Finally, export your designs for development. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.